Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Laudable Tutors. Today I'm bringing you a very important word problem question. The following question looks very complex at first because it is worded very complexly and you may get overwhelmed by too many details that are being used here. But when you try to break down every single word sentence by sentence, then you may figure it out and finally come down to the conclusion. This is a probability question, by the way. So let's start by solving it and read the first sentence. In a group of 750 college students, some are primary students and the rest are business students. So immediately from the get-go, I noticed that there are two types of college students. Let's make a student tree. There are primary students and there are business students. And we also talked about male and female, men and women, basically the same thing. Let's say there are male primary students, there are female primary students, there are male business, and lastly female business students. Let's form the equation out of the first sentence. We know that there are only two types of students, that is business and prim. So we can say that the number of primary students and number of business students, that equals 750. That's the total number of students because nothing else is given in the question. Let's say that's equation 1. Now there are 150 more women than men and 300 fewer business than prim. Since we are only talking about prim and business at this point, let's solve this first. 300 female business students than prim students. So that is equivalent to saying that business students is 300 fewer than prim. That is prim minus 300. But you can also say prim students is b plus 300 if you move this 300 on the left. So that will be question second. And the next clue is that since only two genders are specified here, male and female, we can also conclude that the number of male students and the number of female students all together, okay, including both types of students, they also equal 750 logically. And let's say that's equation 3. Also we are given that there are 150 more women than men. That means number of female is 150 more than male, so 150 plus m, which is male. Now since we have turned these word problems into 4 equations, now it's time to solve it using Desmos. This will be one part and this will be another. So when you go to Desmos, input your values, you'll get this. Okay, so the value of P is 525, B is 225, M is 300, and F is 450. Let's write it here. P is 525. That is number of prim students equals to 525. Since we have got this value from our equation, number of business students is 225. Again, total number of male students including both categories, that's equals 300. And lastly, number of female students, that will be obviously 450, right? Yeah. Now let's read another sentence. If there are 90 business students, 90 female business students, so out of all female, there's 90 female business students. We know that total number of business students is 225, and if there are 90 female, we can say the number of male business students plus number of female, which is 90, that will equal 225, which is total number of business students. This is equation 5. And when you solve this, you'll get The number of male business students is 135. Number of male business students, let's write it here. Number of male business, notice we're talking about only business students that are male. That is 135. Now another part of the equation is, out of all female students, only 90 are business students. That means the rest will be primed students. That's obvious, right? Primed students, that means female primed students plus 90, which is total number of, which is a rest of all female students, that will equals 450. Total population of female. So total female population of primed students plus total female population of business student, that will equals 450. This is equation 6. On solving it, you'll get 360. That means our female primed students, the number that is 360. And lastly, we have arrived to number of male primed students. Now as we know, number of male primed students plus number of female primed students, that's equals to total number of primed students. Let's solve it. Number of male primed, and fortunately we have value of female primed, that is 360. That's equals to total number of primed students, which is 525. 525. This is our equation 7. And on solving this, you'll get 165. That is, number of male primed students equals to 165. Now we've summarized all the values. Let's solve the probability part. For that reason, I'm erasing these contents over here. Okay, I think that's enough to do our operation. What is the probability? Okay, sorry. A man is to be selected at random. That means this number of selection, which is our denominator part, that will be man. That means total number of men, which is number of male primed students plus number of male business students. That is, this represents total number of male population, which is MP plus MB. MP is 165, MB is 135. This is in our denominator. And what we have to select, that a man is primed student. So primed man, the number of primed man is 165. Let's solve this using Desmos. 165 upon 165 plus 135. Click this button. 11 by 20, and that is our answer. So a seemingly difficult problem on breaking down sentence by sentence turned out to be very easy. Hope this video helped you to understand word problem. We'll bring you more contents like this. Till then, keep learning, keep watching our videos, and please do subscribe. Thank you.